This is David Pegler. This is your London Outlook, or NFP preview, call it, for August the 7th, 2009. Welcome to FX Bootcamp. Quick reminder here. FX Bootcamp is not an alert service, not going to make any trade recommendations during the course of a day, but what I will do is conduct some fundamental and technical analysis. And hopefully we can help you put together a good positive trade plan or three during the course of a day. Please bear in mind that when you're trading heavily leveraged, occasionally this leverage will work for you. Unfortunately, more times than not, it's going to work against you, so please do not trade real money. So you have some kind of proven track record of success on a demo account. Prove it to yourself more than anything else before you risk your hard-earned money, folks. All right, so let's take a look at the pound yen and pound dollar today. They're very similar trades. Keep in mind that tomorrow is non-farm payroll, and there's significant event risk for tonight's London session. And really 7 out of 10 Londons before non-farm payroll in the morning are normally duds. So conservative once again is the name of the game, but we'll put together some technicals here, and if that makes sense, then we'll have ourselves a couple of trade setups. All right, we'll make it a very quick video. This is a daily pound yen chart, and although we've tried to double top here around this 162, I'm still very bullish on the pound yen longer term, and really it's got more to do with being bearish on the yen and very bearish on the US dollar. So I'm still thinking longer, even though we've tried to double top. Remember, a double top is only a double top after it's happened. Okay, so what I expect to happen here is, some people, or most, I would imagine, are looking at this, if you disregard this previous price action here, and they're looking at this moreover as a steady little uptrend here and looking to buy into it. At least I am. All right, until we have a proven lower high on a daily level, I'm really not sold on the fact that this is a double top yet. However, all right, given the fact that if I just take you, or first of all, let's just stay here. Lots of support here. Major resistance previously. Any move that precipitates a trend of any sort, or any level of resistance or support that precipitates an entire trend like this did, I consider it to be major support and resistance, and that's what you've run right into again. This, call it 160, 159, 88, 159, 90 area is really significant support. Okay, however, here's going to be our challenge today. Okay, if you just go to the 4 hour here, notice how we've essentially made a little double top in the 4 hour and broken the last previous swing low. So even though we absolutely putting up on the daily, okay, and I'm bullish overall, I think that we're going to have ourselves another little short side scalp here before continued upside. Now, are we even going to go down to this 159 level, which is ultimately my target? I have no idea. I think that we more likely, the bottom line here, folks, and my strategy is pretty simple. Taking you to the hourly very quickly, just zoom out a touch. Here are these previous swing lows. You'll notice how much traffic there was through this level. Lots and lots and lots of support and resistance through this 161 area. I'm not sure we're going to make it all the way up there, but what's important here is, look at how these candles jumped off of this 160, 60-ish area previously. Lots of support through here as well. So what I'm looking for really is a bit of a zone to shorten. And it's kind of like this. Between this 160, 60 area and this 160, 90 to 161 zone looks pretty good. And then, looking for something like this, up, 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 boom, hit that resistance area, and we try to sell. Then even if we higher low here, okay, that's more than a 50, 60 per trade. And then if we higher low here, fine, we're going to continue and the reversal is on. All right, and then it's simply a confirmation that we're holding this 160 area as good support, and I'm fine with that. Like I said before, I am very bullish on this currency pair. So my strategy then would be to short, once I get a couple of pips in profit, move my stop aggressively to break even, and then just trail the stop down, say above the 50-minute 8 or something like that along the move. And if it breaks the bottom and goes to 159, awesome. All right, if it higher lows, I'll simply get out, reverse the position, and then I'm thinking off we go again to challenge 162. All right, it's as simple as that. But the bottom line is this is my sell zone that I'm looking for. Okay, nothing fancy there whatsoever. All right, now let's take a quick look at the cable here very quickly. Now pound's in much a similar position, right? Look at this daily chart. Okay, and in my mind, you know, in my mind, this is a breakout of the range, and this is our pullback, right? And if this is a 15-minute chart, you'd be going, well, come on, Peglo, that's breakout, fib, continuation. And it's very, very, very possible that that's what we're getting. But the problem is it's a daily chart, right? So intraday, timing something like this can be a real challenge. Okay, look at this, you know, a little bit of resistance here, this wick jump off. I even remember that short very well there. And, you know, now we're looking for, you know, something like that. But once again, just like the pound yen, you know, if you take a look at the hourly, just like the pound yen, you know, after a drop like yesterday, it's unlikely we're just going to roll right through these lines. Or I should say lines, right through these levels of resistance, right? So I'm looking for something like this. I'm looking for a fib of yesterday's range. Okay, it'll pull back here to around the 382 to 50%, around 168.50-ish, and then an effort to continue, all right? And, you know, what are we looking for in terms of a profit target? Well, hopefully a lower low, all right? But ultimately and conservatively, I'd like to see a double bottom here, or even a move down to exactly a 50% Fibonacci retracement of this daily move to the upside, and that gives us a look around the 167 area. So, you know, looking to sell at 68.50, looking for 167 would be the perfect play, and then, you know, off we go, right? I am a dollar bear, folks, no question. Short-term bullish, but ultimately a dollar bear and looking for reasons to buy. I don't want anybody to be confused or misconstrue that by any stretch of the imagination, right? Purely dollar bearish. Okay, but short-term bullish. Folks, always want to hear from you, so if you would like to leave me some feedback on YouTube or the blog, or to the folks at Daily FX, it's fine too. Thanks for looking. Good luck with NFP tomorrow, and I'll catch up with everybody on Monday.